Welcome to today's ProPlate demo. In this session, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a sorting line in ProPlate. Locate the Process Line Management option in the navigation menu on the sidebar. Next, click on Process Line Management from the navigation menu. This will reveal two options under the Process Line Management section in ProPlate. Then, select Process Line to proceed to the Process Line screen. To begin creating the process line, click on the Division field to open the drop-down menu. For this demo, we will select Sorting from the list of available divisions. Next, move to the Process Type field. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu with the available processes for the selected division. For this demo, we will select Vision Sort from the drop-down menu. The next required field is the Line Number field. For this demo, we will use the number 4 as the line number. You can enter the name of the line that will be displayed throughout ProPlate by typing it into this field. For this demo, we will name this line Demo Sort. In this drop-down menu, all available inspection criteria will appear. You can either scroll through the list to find the ones you need or search for them by entering the name in the search bar. You can exit the drop-down by clicking outside the menu. Next, if you have any work instructions for the line, you can add them by clicking on the Add Work Instruction File zum Set button. Next, click on Create to add the new line to the system. In this video, we covered the creation of a sorting line in ProPlate. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out to us at support@proplate.pro. If you'd like to explore how ProPlate can benefit your company, contact us today to schedule a demo.